this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering. So basically, I'm going to just go through each room every day and I'm just going to declutter and clean all of the areas that has been bothering me. So this will be part 1, and then shortly after this video, y'all should be seeing part 2. I'm going to be starting off with our room and starting off with the closet. So we had a bunch of not a bunch, but we had a few extra comforters and pillows that I was just collecting dust and dirt. But yeah, I'm just basically going to try to declutter and clean as much as I can. So before we finish cleaning, I wanted to talk about Luisa. So I have worked with them before, y'all, and I love their jewelry. All of their jewelry are guaranteed to be long lasting. They are hypoallergenic and they also are water resistant and tarnishing resistant. So I did receive an anklet and this cute little dainty necklace that says Mama, and I think it's so cute because we do call my daughter Mama, so I really could gift her this necklace for Christmas. If y'all was looking for some high quality jewelry at an affordable price to gift to somebody, they are having a Black Friday sale up to 35% off, and the sale will not be going on for too much longer, so I suggest that y'all run over there and see what's going on. I love them and I love the quality of their jewelry, and I will leave all of the details down below. Y'all can see all of the junk at the top of our closet. It's just a mess. It was driving me crazy, and y'all can't tell, but I was very overwhelmed when I was doing this. It was so many times throughout the decluttering that I wanted to just put all of this stuff back in the closet and call it a day, but I pushed through, and in the end I was so happy that I did push through, because everything was organized and decluttered and we had exactly everything that we needed, and all of the trash and the things that we don't use was gone. So I felt so much better. And another thing was, I did take it day by day just so I didn't get overwhelmed and start half doing things and rushing. In the little black basket, my husband, he does smoke, so I just put all of his smoke stuff in the basket just so it could be somewhat organized. So in the clear bin, I put our important papers, our pictures, and just other things that I need to keep, but I know we don't grab it that often.
When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no.
Alright, so it was time to declutter this bin. So this bin had all of our stuff in there. It had the kids' sheets, our sheets, shower curtains, bathroom rugs. It had everything stuffed into this little bin. So I got these 2 bins from Walmart, and they was actually priced really good. They was like $11 or $12. So I should have got 3, but I only got 2, one for both of the kids. But I'm just gonna put their extra pillowcases, sheets, and blankets in there, and I did get rid of a few of their sheets. But I saw somebody else do this on their channel, and I was like, I gotta do this because, and y'all, I actually love this little method, and it's so much easier because when I take their dirty sheets off the bed, I could just slide the bins from underneath their bed and put on some new sheets, and it just makes everything look organized and put together.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding
multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.
Okay, so this was another thing that I just did not want to declutter, but I pushed through and I got it done. So a lot of the stuff I didn't really have to, I threw away some stuff, but I didn't really have to throw away a lot. It was just really just organizing everything. I ended up throwing away this flat iron because I have not used it in a long time. I don't even really know if it works. So I just got rid of that, but I'm going to spray each bin down and then I'm just going to try to put everything back neatly. And I just did that for every drawer. So the bottom drawer is like all my hair tools and stuff, and then the middle drawer is my nail stuff, and then the top drawer is like all of the stuff that I use to do Janae's hair. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna basically go through each drawer and see what can I get rid of and just fix anything that is just all over the place so it can just look a little bit more organized.
Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Thing that I wanted to declutter was my desk drawer, and it really wasn't a lot, girl. It was just, I feel like I had too many markers and stuff going on in here, so I just went ahead and wiped out the drawer, and then I just put in there exactly like what I needed. And really, for the most part, I just got rid of a bunch of Sharpie markers and then a few pens, and that was it.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water.
Okay, so this is the next day, and I had some clothes in the basket that needed to be folded. So I just went ahead and folded them with y'all before I took our sheets off the bed so I can go ahead and wash them. But I want to say happy Thanksgiving. I hope that y'all enjoy Thanksgiving and enjoy the food, enjoy the time with y'all family. Because I think this is going out on a Monday, and I probably won't be talking to y'all until after Thanksgiving. But yeah, this year I'm going to be cooking Thanksgiving myself for the first time. And we usually go to Justin's grandma's house, but this year I was like, I just want to spend time together as like with our little family and just stay home. So hoping everything goes well.
You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah.
So I always clean the bathroom, but I wanted to clean the areas in the bathroom that I don't always clean, especially now right before the holidays. So I did fill up a bucket with some hot water and this Lysol multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to use that to wipe down the walls just so I can dust it and just give it a good wipe. And then I'm also going to wipe down the shelves that is on the wall, and then also the light right above the sink.
Be like you. There's been a whole lot of try. Be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. Yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself.
There's been a whole lot of crying, a whole lot of trying, a whole lot of telling me I should be dying. Don't be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying.
So y'all have seen me clean the shower walls before, so I left that out of this video, but I wanted to show y'all that I was using the soft scrub cleaner that has bleach in it, and I really like that because I like to use bleach when I'm cleaning the bathroom. So anything that has bleach in it, I like it, instead of like me having to mix bleach with stuff. But anyway, I just rinsed the shower walls down, and then after that I wanted to clean the kids' toy drip bucket, so I'm just going to use the soft scrub again to clean that. And then I'll also use their little tub cup rinser thing. I use that to clean that too, because those little cups can grow mold fast. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure I clean their cup also. Okay, so I like to hand wipe the bathroom floor just because the bathroom is small, so it makes it easier for me to get underneath the sink and like the baseboards and everything. So I did make some fresh water and I used the new rag to do that. And then y'all, my camera was dying, so I was kind of rushing just to kind of show y'all what I could. But then once the camera died, I did, you know, wipe the bathroom floor really good, and I made sure to get up all the dust and hair and the grout in the bathroom. It just looks bad. I tried everything to clean it, and I just think that that's just how it is. So it don't look the best, but as long as the bathroom floor is clean, then that's all that matters to me. But I did get this hand towel rack off of Amazon, so I will leave it linked down below in my Amazon storefront if y'all wanted to check it out. So I was boiling some water so I can go ahead and get ready to mop, and I figured while that was boiling, I'm just gonna go ahead and take down the little bit of fall decor that we have. And I used to just be wondering, like, how do they have all of this seasonal decor, like when I watch videos? And I'm like, I had to realize that they probably was like most likely saving all of this decor over the years. So I only have a few little fall things, but in due time I'm pretty sure I would have a bin full of seasonal stuff. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna pack up everything so I can go ahead and put it in the basement, and then next video I should be decorating for Christmas.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare.
Okay, y'all, so the last room that I'm gonna declutter in today's video is the kids' room. So last video I did declutter their closet, but now it was time to declutter and organize their drawers. So they had a lot of clothes that did not fit, and then also like clothes that fit now but it was out of season, so I just got rid of them because I already knew that they was not going to be able to fit them when it did get to that time. So I got rid of a lot of stuff, and also Jaden had like these brand new white beaters that he never wears because he doesn't like the fabric of it. So I'm like, I'm not getting rid of these white beaters, they're new, they ain't stained. So what I did was I just put them in mama's drawer just for her to wear as sleep shirts. But basically I just went through each drawer and tried to see what can I get rid of, and then also I wiped out their drawers with, so I didn't put nothing like any spray or anything on the rag. I just used a dry rag to kind of like wipe out their drawers just to dust, because it was really just like lint and maybe some hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through all of their drawers. So now it's time to organize their toys, and y'all have seen me do this 100 times, and at this point I'm sick of seeing myself doing it, but I did want to just show y'all parts of it. So basically I just took all of their toys out, and then I just basically went through what was broke and what do I feel like just needed to go. And they didn't have too many toys that needed to go, but they did have some, so I just went ahead and put that in a bag so I could throw it in the trash. And then I just put whatever the toys that was remaining back in there, and then off camera I also did wipe out each bin just so I can get any hair or dust or whatever out of it. But I'm happy that I did organize this, so that way when it's time for Christmas, they're not getting any more toys, y'all, until Christmas. So I'm hoping that all of these toys that they have left stays in good shape so I don't have to throw them away, and then they have room for the new toys. So after doing that, I did go ahead and let the robot vacuum do its thing, and then once it was done, I went back in their room to go ahead and mop their floor.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we...
Okay, y'all, so we are towards the end of today's video. Do not forget to check out Anna Luisa's Black Friday sale to get up to 35% off. All of the details will be linked down below. I appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all in my next one.